Jamaica Labour Party councillors in Portmore St. Catherine are livid following the misplacement of a condolence book for former Prime Minister Edward Seaga. It was one of the major issues discussed last evening at the monthly meeting of the Portmore Municipal Corporation. Councillor for the Gregory Park Division, Joy Brown, is questioning how the book could have gone missing.
I was the last person to sign that book. The door was closed to the public because I signed that book between 4 and 5 o'clock after the door closed to the public.
So that make you number one suspect.
Me say, no, me can't believe. Say somebody that thief one book. Because it's nearly over 3 weeks now. So what about the surveillance camera? It's not working? It could be anything else.
As to the steps to locate the book, Portmore's Mayor Leon Thomas says an investigation has been launched.
I know that the chief administrative manager was carrying out some investigation.
Well, I never heard about that.
So we will have further discussion on the matter in regarding to it. And as soon as we come to some conclusion, then we will let you know about what it is.
I'm going to give a report.
Yes.
Because I know who I left here, and I know who I came back and saw here.